guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create Karen's Halloween costume from Mean Girls, the I'm a Mouse, duh, costume. Super easy. You don't need VIP except for one thing that you don't really need if you don't want to. Select this hair and color it this color 9775FF. No adjustments needed. This is bangs only, and then select this hair. Rotate the Z to 0.46 and scale it to 0.54. Then for the outfit, you do need the, I call it like the Jenny dress, and I'm going to color it all black. For the bows, I'm going to select this middle one in a silk, and the same thing for the middle rows. Then you are going to go and get this because she does have straps here, like that. And then I am going to use these boots in a silk as well. I actually don't know if she has gloves on. I have to double check. I don't think she does, but then I did use this dress to give it more volume, like the fourth toggle, but it's not necessary. And then for the ears, obviously I had to use the bear ears for this one. So select this gray again, and I'm going to select this pink but in a silk. Maybe a foil. Maybe I'll do just the silk. I'm just going to bring it down a little bit so you guys can see the color. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!